right, Erin, very nice to finally connect with you so we can record this video. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about your legal experience. So if you want to go ahead and take the floor and maybe let me know where you started off and kind of where you are today. So a little overview.
Sure.
God bless.
Yes. So after I received my certificate, I started at a law firm remotely working for Social Security. So that was just a lot of working with clients and helping for trial prep and summarizing medical records, leading into trial. And I was promoted to case manager at that job. And then I was there for about a year and a half, 2 years. And then I moved over to an in-office job working on the insurance defense side. And that was in Daytona Beach. And that was mainly drafting subpoenas, following by medical records, giving case updates to clients. It was just a lot of drafting. But I mean, within that job, I did filings as well. The Social Security, I did filings, but it's different. It wasn't through like the e-portal or anything. And then I'm currently at Bonnie Burns Law Firm, which is family law and personal injury focused. So that one I've really dived in and drafted motions and pleadings, did filing, lots of communication with clients and adjusters regarding treatment updates and all that. And then obviously trying to get medical records and all that. So
sure. So smaller firm doing lots of different things, lots of moving parts. And you have your when you were talking about certificate at the beginning, that's your paralegal certificate?
Correct, yes.
Okay. And you have your bachelor's degree in English?
Yes. And I did take a gap on my resume, you will notice, because I did stay home with my son, my third child, for like 2 years is all. And then I worked at a daycare and then went back into the workforce and finally put this paralegal certificate to use.
Okay, perfect. And you are looking for a litigation paralegal role?
Yes.
In Volusia County.
Full-time.
Okay, full-time. And tell me a little bit about like your best kind of office setting. Like what do you need from your employer to help you succeed?
Okay, I love that question, number one. Thank you. But yes, I mean, I feel that, kind of work hard, play hard in a sense. I feel like we're at work more than we are at home. So, definitely to have some rapport and just, I mean, I operate the best given like clear communication, being able to reach, I understand, if attorneys in trial or deposition or whatnot, but just being able to have access to them, when they are available, whether that's through email or text or phone call, and I think I also consider myself very organized and a team player. So as long as I'm giving clear expectations, I want to follow through in that and see, the goal to the end.
Okay, absolutely. And then how do you learn best, like for training? Do you like a hands-on? Do you like to work with someone? Do you like to read it? Like how do you learn best? And there's no wrong answer.
I think of course. I mean, I think I've learned that I learn best if I can first learn the process A to Z, like from the get-go, so I know, what it looks like and how it ends up. And then, in between, I don't mind shadowing and then trying myself hands-on for a little bit. I think it's just, I mean, I'm a visual learner too, so I think it's good for me to like watch someone do it a few times and then myself try it as well.
Okay. Yeah, that's how most people learn. So I always like to ask because I feel like it's important because, for me, I have to see it, I have to do it, and I have to write it. Like, and that's the big thing. Are you a big note taker?
I am. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Great. The work schedule is 8:30 to 5, Monday through Friday. Are you available for those hours every day?
Is it in Daytona Beach, I think you said?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so yeah, so that would be accommodating. Yep, I can make that work.
Perfect. And your last employer, would you say that they would consider you reliable?
Yes.
All right. then I'm going to go ahead and stop this part of the interview. This is just a very quick pre-screening portion. We dive a little deeper into like actual job questions. And then the next step would be the employer would actually invite you in for an interview if they feel like you could be a good fit at the firm.
Okay.
So I'm going to go ahead and stop this portion of the interview, but don't go anywhere, and then I'll be right
All right,
back.
that's good. Okay.